we saw him go through the field workout, and I thought we'd give him a little more attention, a little more love for what he did. I thought he tracked the ball naturally, Charles. He got in and out for such a big wide receiver. That's not an easy catch, the low ball for a big guy. I thought he was smooth, strong hands, very consistent. But when I think offense overall for the week, and I think who ran the best routes out here and caught the ball the best? We've got Mike Williams. We've got all these wide receivers. We saw an unbelievable group of tight ends out here.
How about Mike Williams? We met him yesterday.
Yeah, we just saw a point guard jump. This is a power forward here. Mike Williams this is a solid number for how big he is. But his game, he doesn't need to jump very high. When you're that big and that physical and that strong, he overpowers people. That's a solid number, 32.5.
Go ahead and scoot down just a little bit for me. There. Come on.
Lock out. Got to lock out all the way up.
There you go.
Every rep, lock it out.
5,
Up.
6, 7, 8, 9.
There we go. Good. Let's go. Come on now.
Come on. Up.
Good. Let's go. Down and up. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Press.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Down and up.
Watch the bounce. Go on. Press.
There you go, Bush. Let's go. Come on. Lock it out. There you go. Come on. Let's go. Down and up.
You got 15. 15 reps.
Good.